Cat Hair Salon birthday party. Meow. Meow. Come back every day and get more coins. Let's get ready. Turn it on, please. Oh, wow! Look what you created! Let's make a cat! Wow! So cool! Awesome! Looks great! Perfect! Oh yeah! Ooh, very nice! Fits perfect! Let's get ready! George is tired. He needs coffee. Apply the eye cream. Cucumbers for some freshness. Wait for a couple of minutes. Trim his ear hair, please. This one too. Ew! Can you clean it? And this one? His beard is a mess. What can we do? Make it curly. Take them out. Great! Now brush it. I don't think he likes it. Let's fix it. Yay! Good job! He looks great now. His beard is a mess. What can we do? Oh no! Let's get rid of them. They are all gone. Thank you very much. Congratulations! You got a reward. His beard is a mess. What can we do? Apply shaving cream. Oh yeah! Shave it! Much better. Pour some lotion, please. Apply it. Yay! Good job! He looks great now. Let's get ready. Help Coco to get ready. Where is Coco? Take the scissors and cut it. Can you dry her coat? Great! Now brush it. Apply a face mask. Cucumbers for some freshness. Wait for a couple of minutes. It's time to wipe it off. Yay! Job well done. Coco looks great. Now let's do some makeup. Very good. Now put on some eyeshadow. Apply the eyeliner, please. Use mascara for a false lash effect. Oh wow! She will be the queen of the party. Let's get ready! Let's do a party hairstyle for Missy. First, shave her. Let's add some color. She hates water. Can you dry her coat? Much better. Congratulations! You got a reward! What should we use? Meow! Spray some water, please. Meow! Missy is not happy. Let's fix it. Good job! She's ready for the party. What should we use? Mew! Let's make her hair curly. Missy is not happy. Let's fix it. Good job! She's ready for the party. What should we use? Let's make her hair curly. Turn it on. Take them out. You're doing great! Almost done! Good job! She's ready for the party. Let's get ready! Help Kate to get ready. First, trim her coat. Shave it, please. Let's dye her hair. It's time to wash it. She loves water. Great! This color highlights her beauty. Turn on the hairdryer. Great! Now brush it. Let's add some color. Wow, her style is impressive. Good job. Let's get ready. get ready! Welcome to the party! It's time for a birth. Put on the candles. Make a wish. Let's taste it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Missy. Happy birthday to you. Looks like it was delicious. Yay! Happy birthday, Missy. Welcome to the party. Woohoo! Let's get this party started. Oh yeah! Make some noise! Let's sing along! Meow! 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 Welcome to the party! Party dress up! Looks funny! Yummy! Mmm, chocolate! Looks delicious! Oh, wow! Perfect! Lovely! Amazing! Party dress up! Perfect! Nice nose! Party dress up! Meow! Fabulous! Looks funny! Party dress up! Meow! Awesome! Party dress up! Ooh, very nice! Oh yeah, nice nose! Awesome! Party dress up! Awesome! Party dress up! Welcome to the party! Let's get ready! Meow! Dress them up for a party! Dress him up! Wow, it looks great! So handsome! This looks cool! Classy! Meow! Dress them up for a party! Dress her up! Nice glasses! I love this hat! Classy! Meow! Dress them up for a party! Meow! Choose the best outfit for her! Bling bling! Wow, shiny! Nice glasses! You got style! Be beautiful! Meow! Dress them up for a party! Meow! Choose the best outfit for her! That's an elegant dress! them up for a party. Mew! Dress her up. You got style. Be beautiful. Nice shoes. She looks adorable. Meow! Dress them up for a party. Let's get ready. Play more to unlock new games. Let's check your memory. Find 2 identical pictures. It's getting harder. Wrong. Wrong. Can you do more? Play more to unlock new games. Let's do the puzzle. Yay! Awesome! You did great! Play more to unlock new games. Let's do the puzzle. You did a good job! Play more to unlock new games. Let's get ready! Pop balloons and get your coins. Let's get ready! Cat Hair Salon birthday party.